Hello everyone and welcome to day 7 of our marine cargo insurance course. Today we are going to talk about a very important group of professionals in the world of cargo claims, that is marine surveyors and loss assessors. These individuals are essentially the eyes and ears on the ground when something goes wrong with your cargo. By the end of this session, you will understand their critical role, why you need to act quickly when a loss occurs, and how their reports can make or break your insurance claim. So, who exactly are these marine surveyors or loss assessors? They are independent, qualified professionals. This means they don't work directly for the insurance company, nor they do work for you. They are neutral experts in special training with special training in cargo and shipping. They are usually appointed by the insurer, meaning your insurance company will call them in when you report a claim. However, sometimes if you want a quick initial assessment, you might appoint one yourself. Their main role is to investigate, assess, and report. When your cargo is damaged, they travel to the site, whether it is port, a warehouse, or a truck, to examine the goods. They figure out what happened, how severe damage is, and then they write a detailed report about all their findings. Crucially, they act as impartial experts, providing objective findings. This means their job is to give an honest, unbiased opinion based purely on the facts they find, not on who appointed them. Their report is neutral assessment of the situation. Surveyors play a truly crucial role in claims. Here's how they help. First is independent assessment. They provide a neutral, unbiased view of the incident and the damage. This is very important because it helps prevent disagreements between you and the insurance company about what happened. Second is cause of loss determination. They are also experts at finding out the proximate cause of loss. Remember, that's the main direct reason of the damage occur. This is absolutely vital because the insurance company uses this to decide if a policy covers that loss. Third, the extent of damage quantification. They accurately measure how much loss or damage has happened and put a financial value on it. This helps determine the exact amount of the money the insurance company should pay out. Fourth, loss minimization advice. They can give you immediate practical advice on how to stop the damage from getting worse. For instance, they might suggest moving wet cargo to a dry area or how to recondition certain items. 5. Evidence collection. Surveyors are excellent at gathering all the important evidence, including taking detailed photographs, collecting relevant documents, and getting statements from anyone who witnessed the incident. This evidence is crucial for supporting your claim. And 6. Salvage operations. If your goods are damaged but can still be sold for some value, surveyors can help manage or advise on these salvage operations to recover some of the loss. Now let's talk about the importance of the prompt appointment. This is a golden rule in marine cargo claims. Time is critical, don't delay. Preserving evidence. If your cargo is damaged, that damage can get worse more very quickly, or important evidence like the condition of the packaging or specific temperature readings can disappear over time. A surveyor appointed quickly can capture the exact situation as it is, preserving crucial evidence. Mitigation loss. Getting a surveyor involved early can also help prevent further damage. They can advise on immediate steps to take, which can reduce the severity of the loss and save money in the long run. Many insurance policies have strict rules that require you to notify them immediately. and appoint a surveyor promptly. If you don't follow these rules, your claim might be jeopardized or even denied. Timely claim processing. Simply put, if you delay appointment a surveyor, the entire claim settlement process will slow down significantly. This means you will have to wait much longer to get your insurance payout. The output of the surveyor's work is the survey report. This is a truly vital document for your claim. It's a comprehensive document that details everything the surveyor found during the investigation. This report includes a clear description of your cargo, the exact nature of the damage. Was it wet, crushed, was something missing, and the likely cause of the loss. For example, heavy weather or pure handling. It also details the exact extent of the loss, meaning how much was damaged and what its value is. The surveyor might even give recommendations on what you should do and with the damaged goods, like if they can be repaired or sold for salvage. And of course, it includes all supporting evidence like photos. The significance of this report cannot be overstated. It is primary document that your insurance company will use to assess whether your claim is valid to and to calculate how much money they will pay you. Essentially, it forms the very basis for their decision to either accept or deny your claim. There are actually different types of survey that can be conducted at various stages of your cargo journey. First, a pre-shipment survey. This is done because before your cargo even leaves its origin. Its purpose is to check the condition of the cargo, how well it's packed, and how it's being loaded. This type of survey is great preventive measure as it can help identify and fix potential issues earlier, potentially preventing claims from happening later. Second, a discharge survey. This survey happens at the port or destination when your cargo is being unloaded. Its purpose is to immediately note any visible damage or shortages right at the point of the arrival. This is really important for the documenting issues right away, especially before you sign any delivery receipt that might say everything is fine. And third, the loss of the damage survey. This is the most common type of survey when you actually have a claim. It's performed specially when a loss or damage is discovered, and its purpose is to assess the full extent and cause of that specific loss. This is the survey that directly feeds into your insurance claim. Finally, and this is a critical point, cooperation is key. As insured, your full cooperation is an absolute must with the surveyor. You need to provide access, give them easy and immediate access to the damaged goods and the packaging and the area where the damage happened. Share information. Be ready to provide all the relevant documents like invoices, packing list, and transport papers, and answer all their questions honestly and thoroughly. Why is this so important? Because failure to cooperate fully, or if you in any way hinder the surveyor's work, can seriously jeopardize your claim. It could even lead to your claim being denied by the insurance company. A smooth survey process benefits everyone involved. So that concludes our session on marine surveyors and loss assessors. I hope you now appreciate their vital role in the claim process. Now I'd love to hear your thoughts based on what we have discussed today. Why do you think it's so crucial to have an independent surveyor involved in a marine cargo claim for both the insured and the insurer? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much.